Presented by Tech by Abdullah. GPT 4.1 explained. What's new in OpenAI's latest AI model? What is GPT 4.1? OpenAI's most advanced language model yet. Launched April 2025, plus AI illustration.
Tres key upgrades. 1. Enhanced coding. 2. Smarter memory. 3. Logical reasoning power. Multimodal support. GPT 4.1 G1 OVMini equals text, image understanding, visual idea, split, screen showing text, images. Where it shines, where it shines. Use case icons, script writing, coding, lesson planning, YouTube content. Limitations. Icons with text. Still hallucinates. Memory isn't perfect. Paid access only. Demo time, opcional. Screenshot or placeholder of GPT 4.1 doing a task like solving a riddle. Is it worth it? Bold text. Yes, if you're a creator, dev, or AI enthusiast. Call to action. Like, subscribe, say you, commenta. More AI tool reviews coming soon.